Today I'll show you how to delete your Twilio account. First, log into your Twilio account at console.twilio.com using your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your device ready to approve the login. Once you're in, focus on the sidebar on the left and select Admin, then Account Management and finally General Settings. You can also go directly to twilio.com/console/account/settings. Take a moment to review your account and back up any data you may need before proceeding. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the red Close Account button. Twilio will ask you to confirm that you want to close your account. Double check that you really want to proceed, as this will permanently delete all projects, data, and remaining balance. Confirm the closure, optionally provide feedback, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. Your Twilio account is now on its way to being permanently removed. You can always create a new account later if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.